Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix FM radio service problem in your Motorola smartphone. Friends, if your FM radio is not working and if it is showing not responsive or any kind of issue you are facing, so you can see to start listening, plug in headphones or any other issue. So you have to just so friends, here it is 3.5 mm headphone jack here. You have to clean it well for something, and then you have to insert this. You can see 3.5 audio jack in this aux port like this. And then friends, you have to click on search right here, FM. Long press the FM radio, click on app information. You have to click on storage and cache, clear data, and give all the permissions. Like you can see here, it is microphone, you have to enable it, music and audio allow, and you can enable all these permissions. After that it will be working. You can see here it is. Now click on FM radio, allow this, and you can see it is now started playing, and you can see it is started. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.